In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an indicator template in Tradingview. Saving your indicator settings as a template is a useful way to ensure you can easily apply them again without having to reset everything each time. This can save you a significant amount of time and keep your charts consistent from day to day. Let's dive into the steps to make this process seamless. First, you'll want to start by opening Tradingview on your preferred web browser. Once you're logged into your account, head over to the chart page if you're not there already. On your chart page, you'll find various tools on the right side of your screen. Here, you have an array of customizable indicators that you can apply. Next, identify and select the indicators you want to include in your template from the list available. You can do this by clicking on the Indicators button at the top of your chart. A window will pop up, showcasing a wide range of built-in indicators and scripts. Choose the ones you wish to use. For example, you might add the moving average, relative strength index, or any other indicators that suit your trading style. After you've applied your desired indicators on the chart, it's time to adjust their settings to your preference. Click on each indicator line or its name at the top left corner of the chart, where it should be listed. A settings window will appear, allowing you to customize parameters such as the period, color, and any other specific criteria that the indicator offers. This is your chance to tailor each indicator precisely to what works best for your analysis strategy. Once all your indicators are set up to your satisfaction, look towards the top of your Tradingview interface. You'll see a button labeled Templates next to the Indicators button. Click that Templates button to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll select Save Indicator Template. Now, a small dialog box will appear, prompting you to give your new template a name. It could be anything relevant to the setup, perhaps something like Morning Routine or Swing Trading Indicators. Underneath the title, you'll notice a series of checkboxes. These are options for the settings you wish to save. Check all relevant boxes to ensure every detail of your indicator setup is recorded in the template. Finally, hit the Save button to finalize everything. Your custom template will now be saved and accessible whenever you need it. The next time you log in and want to apply these same indicators, simply click the Templates button, find your saved template under Load Indicator Template, and select it. Your indicators should populate on the chart exactly as you configured them previously. And that's it. You've successfully saved your indicator template in Tradingview, making your trading setup a breeze to replicate in the future, keeping everything organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!